I welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can create this simple logo in corelDRAW tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started and see how you can create this simple logo with corelDRAW. First step to take is to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you click and hold down and choose your rectangle. So having choose your rectangle, you can come to the workspace and draw a rectangle this way. Then from the home tab right here, you need to correct the size of the rectangle. So from the width, you need to type in 175. Then from the height, you need to type in 510. Then you press enter key on your keyboard. So you're going to have a stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is to press P to centralize. And the next step to take is to go to the home window. From the home tab here, you go to window. From window, you have to look for Dockers. Then from Docker, you have to look for corners. Then the 40 points here, make sure you type in 150 radius. Right here, make sure you type in 150 radius and then make sure you click on apply. So you are going to have stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here and make sure you rotate to mirror vertical. So you are going to have a stuff like this. So you can come back to the corner panel and close it off. Next thing you need to do is to rotate this into 8 places. So for you to do that, you just have to go to window again. Then from window, you have to look for Dockers. Then from Docker, you go to transform, or you press hotkey plus F7 on your keyboard. You're going to have a transformation panel at the sidebar. The next thing you need to do is to fall back to the logo shape. Double click on the logo shape. This is going to bring out a rotation pane. So with that, you can come back to transform window. Make sure your angle is 45 and make sure your copy is 8 and click on apply. So you are going to have stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar right here. Click and hold down. This time around, make sure you choose your virtual segment delete. And then from the point here, you have to press hotkey on your keyboard and you drag. This allows you to connect this point right here. Okay. So next thing you need to do is to come down below right here. Click and hold down, and this time around, you have to choose Smart Fill. So when you choose your Smart Fill, then you have to fill this point right here. Then once you fill that point, you have to come down below here. Make sure you right click on here to remove stroke. Okay. So next thing you need to do is to apply color to your logo. So for you to apply color to your logo, you have to select the logo shape. Having selected the logo shape, you have to come down below here, click and hold down, and make sure you choose your interactive fill. And this time around, I'm going to copy from the existing color, as you can see on the screen right here. The color I use for this logo is navy blue and cyan. So you have to, I'm going to use my copy fill. I'm going to copy one of the color right here. So you're going to have stuff like this. So next thing I'm going to do is to select the shape and then grab my ruler from both vertical and then snap to the center. And then select the shape again and horizontal and snap the ruler to the center, stuff like this. Then you have to fall back to the logo shape. Double click on the logo shape to have a rotation pane. Once you have your rotation pane, then snap to the rotation pane, snap rotation pane into the center page. You're going to have it this way. Next thing you need to do is to come here and make sure you click on apply. So you're going to have a stuff like this. So next thing you need to do is select the logo shape, press shift key and select the second one, shift key and select the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh and eighth. Okay, then you can drag the logo shape out. Then you can come to the home tab right here and make sure you group your logo shape. Next thing you can do, you have to close the transform window, and then right now we have to select all the logo shape and press delete key on your keyboard. Then you have to fall back to the logo shape and press P to centralize. Then we can delete all the ruler. Make sure your cursor turn to some stuff like this and make sure you choose delete. Finally, you can select the logo shape and press shift key and drag to increase your logo size. This depends on exactly what you are looking for. So guys, this is how you can create this particular simple logo in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in corelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.